Students, chapter number we are going to start chapter number 4, computer software. Computer software, as we know, is basically a set of instructions grouped into programs that make the computer to function in the desired way. It can be classified into two general categories, that is pre-written software and custom made. Pre-written software, computer pre-written software can be classified into two groups. Pre-written, that are essential for computer to work, that is application software, system software, and utility software. Application software is a set of programs necessary to carry out operation for a specific application. For example, programs to solve a set of equations, process examination results, etc. Make up application software. And what are system software? System software, on the other hand, is a general purpose program written for the system that provide easier way for writing an application software. For writing an application software, there must be system software for the system and application for which we want to use. Pre-written software packages typically addresses the processing needs of user. Processing needs of users means what users want to do. Now, application software, to make computer useful, you should combine software it with software in a particular application is a job a user wants to computer to perform, which we want this type of thing for computer. For example, MS Word, MS Excel. To perform an application package, or simply an application, a set of programs that allows the computer to perform specific data processing job for the user. Application software helps the user to work faster and efficiently and more productively. A user-friendly package is a package that is easy to learn and use. Application software with those software which we want something the computer to do. Okay, then we have application may perform single function and integrated function. Single function is for one person. Like in this paragraph, these are the few further divided into special purpose and general purpose. Special purpose क्या होता है? Special purpose package is designed for a specific type of user. Specific type of user, for example, a group of people, a group of teachers, a group of medical staff, a group of engineers. ऐसे softwares those only teachers can use. Softwares like only medical can use, doctors can use, nurses can use. For example, medical packages for doctor. A doctor can enter a patient's detail and results of his test in the computer. A medical package can tell the problem with the patient and recommendation for treatment. And what is general purpose? A package that we can use for number of different tasks, which for many other people can also use. For example, word processing packages like MS Word, data manager, graphics, and electronics communication. Integrated application combines several general purpose like the thing which we do in daily life, that combine in one place, that is in a single product. They mostly include processing word like MS Word, manipulating spreadsheet like MS Excel, managing database of file like MS Access, and preparing graphics like MS PowerPoint or MS Visio. An integrated package makes it possible to use a common set of instructions to share data and move data among several applications. For instance, word processing program of an integrated package would allow user to use the keyboard and display the result of a computer, or creating rows can be used and also analyzed by use the spreadsheet program of a integrated package. Its graphics program can be used to produce charts. Thus, this is a single all-in-one package. For example, MS Office. Then we have system software. System software program is a collection of programs designed to operate, control, and processing and extend processing capabilities of computer. जो कंप्यूटर के लिए हमारे लिए दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर कंप्यूटर. द कंप्यूटर मैन्युफैक्चरर एंड इंडिपेंडेंट सॉफ्टवेयर सप्लाइज लाइक माइक्रोसॉफ्ट कॉर्पोरेशन सप्लाई सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर. There are two main types. There's operating system and file booting system. Operating system. What is OS? The first program when you open a computer, that is a operating system. Operating system may thus be defined as a set of system programs that controls and manages the operation of computer. All the activities, saving, deleting, managing input and output devices are done by operating system. Okay. Now we have various devices in your PC such as keyboard, disk drives, and memory and video monitor, printer to operate and communicate among themselves and the users. What are the basic Functions of operating system: easy to communicate between human and computers, starting computers automatically when power is turned on, and loading and scheduling user programs, controlling input and output, controlling running of computer, managing use of main memory, managing operations and opening and deleting and closing file. These are all are the functions and facilities which are provided by operating system. An operating system helps people use computer in many ways, but the functions performed by OS is generally invisible to the user. We cannot see what operating system is doing. The computer system running under OS control range from small personal computer, mainframe and supercomputer. For example, Windows and MS-DOS, an operating system that are generally used for small personal computer. For big computers, we use Xenix, Unix and Xenix, and for our computers which we use Windows and MS-DOS. Then we have file required for booting. Booting is a process of loading computer files of computer system in the computer memory. MS-DOS an operating system, and so Windows. Operating system contains one or more files that make a disk bootable. Bootable means to load. And MS-DOS has mainly three main files, primary files used for booting, namely primary files, IO, SYS, interface between operating system and the input and output capabilities of computer. This is for output and input devices. MS-DOS.SYS program for the file management and the disk management capabilities, disk management of MS-DOS. And command.qmat, the command processor. These all are the file booting required for operating system. Okay, then we have a list of questions. You have to solve it and send the picture to Ma'am Sabha. Define computer software. What is application software? Question number 3, define single function and integrated function. Question 4, what are system software? Question 5, define operating system OS. Question 6, write major facilities provided by modern operating system. You have to do it and send it to Ma'am Sabha.